This time we were given the first term and we have to find the general formula for all the rest. So let's start writing out. The first one is k. What about the second one? I have to everything that came before. I have to add everything that came before that, which is only one of them, so it would be k. Now, next one, I have to add all these, so it's 2k. And I have this, we have to add all these, would be 4k. You want to say, I matches, so a sub n equals nk. Not so fast. I got to add all this, so it's a 8k. 4 plus 2 plus 1 plus 1 is 8. A sub 6 is, add all this, would be 16k. And you're noticing something. These numbers smell something. So let me rewrite this then. This is 1k. 1k. This is 2k. I will write as 2 to the 1k. You may wonder why. Because I felt like it. 2 to the 2k. So 2 to the 3k. This 2 to the 4k. And 2 to the 5k. You got to recognize these powers of 2. And you realize it's this. I am seeing some patterns here. Do you? So a sub 8 would be, you go until you see the pattern. It would be 64k, which is 2 to the 6th k. Now, do you see the relationship between this number and this number? Do you see them? 7 and 5, 6 and 4, 5 and 3. I think you see them. So if I give you a sub n equals something, you may not be able to give me this, but you should be able to give me this. That would be 2 to the n minus 2. Times k. You see, it worked for all these, right? Then you say, oh, but when it comes to 2, does it work? You got to, middle ones will always work. The extremes are the important ones. So let's plug in 2 here. So does it work? If a sub 2, 2 to the, I got to use 2 for n. So I'm going to use 2 for n, 2 minus 2 times k. That'll be 2 to the 0th k, which is 1k is k. Aha! It checks. What about here? If I plug in 1, what's going to happen? A sub 1 equals 2 to the 1 minus 2. Doesn't look right. 2 to the negative 1k. That is k over 2. Oh, it fails. It was working out so well. How can it fail near the edge? But remember, they told you this. So, and they also, I didn't copy from the problem here. They said for n greater than or equal to 2. That's why this condition is there. So that you don't panic when this one worked. This one, we didn't even have to check. In fact, we should not have checked. Working here was good enough, and it worked. So therefore, this is the answer.